Thank you for purchasing the ZTR TR for your trimmer. This video is to serve as a visual reference to the instruction manual provided. First, you will want to unpackage all pieces and parts of the ZTR TR and organize and take inventory to be sure that the package is complete. Use this guide in the manual as a reference to the number of pieces you should have, and refer to this completed assembly diagram also in the manual. If missing hardware or parts, please contact Jungle Gyms. Let's get started. Attach the adjustment bracket to the adjustment tube using 1 3/8 by 3-inch cap screw and 1 3/8 nylon lock nut in the large hole in the middle of the bracket tabs. To adjust the angle of the tube, use 1 1/4 by 3-inch cap screw and 1 1/4 nylon lock nut in one of the 5 smaller holes. Attach the main support to the swivel bracket using 2 3/8 by 1-inch serrated hex head screws and 2 3/8 nylon lock nuts. Attach the adjustment tube to the swivel bracket using 1 3/8 by 3-inch cap screw and 1 3/8 nylon lock nut in the large hole in the middle of the bracket tabs. To adjust the angle of the tube, use 1 1/4 by 3-inch cap screw and 1 1/4 nylon lock nut in one of the 5 smaller holes. The support bracket should be mounted on the end that you will be placing the trimmer engine using 2 3/8 by 1.5-inch carriage bolts and 2 3/8 nylon lock nuts. Slide the 2 2-inch vinyl sleeves on the top and bottom ends of the support bracket. Attach each quick clamp onto the clamp holder using 2 5/16 by 1 3/4-inch hex head cap screws and 2 5/16 hex nuts. Attach each clamp holder on the main support using 2 3/8 serrated hex head screws and 2 3/8 nylon lock nuts. Prior to mounting the adjustment bracket, screw 2 3/8 hex nuts onto each U-bolt. Select the desired location on your roll bar. Attach the assembled unit onto the roll bar by sliding each U-bolt and fasten in place using 2 3/8 nylon lock nuts so that the adjustment bracket is locked between the 2 nuts. Adjust the tightness of the U-bolts on the roll bar by adjusting the lock nuts. To adjust the angle of the ZTR TR, loosen the top bolt on the main support swivel bracket connection and remove the bottom bolt. Then adjust the main support to the desired angle. Once the best angle is found, replace the bottom bolt in the aligned hole and tighten all nuts. Attach the optional engine support by inserting the support from the inside end of the main support. Attach the support by using a 3/8-inch by 1-inch serrated hex head screw and a 3/8 nylon lock nut. Mount the engine support and tighten. Attach the vinyl piece. The support may be adjusted according to the trimmer length. If you wish to lock the trimmer onto the ZTR TR, Jungle Gyms recommends using a flexible gun lock which will mount through a hole of the main support and around the trimmer. As you can see, the ZTR TR does not interfere with the functions on the mower.